Hello students, in today's class we are going to study about the calculation involving the unit cell dimensions. The unit cell dimension is defined as ratio of mass per unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. That's nothing but density, numericals based on the density. The formula of density is equal to Z into M divided by Na into A cube, where Z is number of particles per unit cell, M is atomic mass or molecular mass, Na is constant, that is Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, and A is edge length of the unit cell in terms of picometers. If it is given in the picometers, we can convert A is equal to A into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeters, and A cube is volume of unit cell. Let us start with the numericals. First numerical: an element having atomic mass 60 has face-centered cubic unit cell, that is FCC. The edge length of the unit cell is 400 picometer. Find the density of unit cell. Let us see for the solution. In FCC, the number of particles Z is equal to 4. They have given mass is equal to 60 grams per mole. You know Na value, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, and edge length A is given as 400 picometer, that is equal to 400 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Now let us calculate density. D is equal to Zm divided by E cube into Na. Substitute. Z is equal to 4, M is equal to 60 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter cube into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Atoms and mole get cancels. On solving, we will get 6.226 grams per centimeter cube, that is grams per ml. Second numerical: a cubic solid is made up of two elements P and Q at the corners of the cube. P at the body center. What is the formula of the compound, and what are the coordination number of P and Q? What they have given, it is given that atoms of Q are present at the corners of the cube. That is, number of atoms of Q in the one unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by H, because whenever the atom is present at the corner, its contribution is 1 by H. So that is equal to 1. And for P is present at the body center. So number of atoms present at the body center is equal to 1, and contribution is also 1, hence answer is 1. So now the ratio of P and Q will be 1:1, hence the formula is P1 Q1, that is equal to PQ. The second half, let us calculate the coordination number of P and Q. Coordination number is equal to H, because it is a body centered cube. Third numerical: a solid is made up of two elements P and Q. Atoms of Q are in CCP arrangement, while P occupies all the tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? Q atoms are present in CCP arrangement by occupying the tetrahedral voids, because CCP arrangement they have set, hence it is a tetrahedral void, and the one Q atom forms 4 tetrahedral voids and are occupied by the P atoms. Since the number of octahedral voids is equal to the number of sphere and the number of tetrahedral void is double, the number of sphere will be in the ratio of 2:1. In the beginning itself, when we were discussing about the voids, I have given the formula: number of octahedral voids is equal to n and tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. The same statement has been given here. Since they are present in the ratio of 2:1, the formula will be P2 and Q1, that is P2Q. Fourth numerical, a compound formed by element X and Y crystallize in the cubic structure while X is at the corners of the cube and Y is at the face center. What is the formula of the compound? If the side length is 5 angstrom, estimate the density of the solid assuming atomic weight of X and Y are 60 and 90 AMU respectively. First, let us solve the first part. Solution. A particle present at the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. So, number of atoms is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 per unit cell. A particle present at each face center is shared by 2 units. Hence, totally 6 faces are there. Contribution is 1 by 2 and that is equal to 3. So, ratio is 1:3. Hence, the formula is XY3. In FCC, Z is equal to 4. And molar mass, what they have given is 60 and 30. Formula is XY3. So, calculate total molecular mass. X is 60 plus 3 into 90 is equal to 330. 270 plus 60. Avogadro number, you know, and edge length A they have given as 5 angstrom, that is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. So density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Just substitute 4 into 330 divided by 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 whole bracket cube into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. On solving, we will get 17.53 grams per mole. Next numerical. Lithium borohydrides LiBH4 crystallize in an orthorhombic system with 4 molecules per unit cell, that is Z is equal to 4. The unit cell dimensions are A is equal to 6.81 angstrom, B is equal to 4.43 angstrom, C is equal to 7.17 angstrom. Calculate density of the crystal. The given is atomic mass of lithium is equal to 7, boron 11 and hydrogen equal to 1. Solution. The density formula Zm divided by V into Na. So Z is equal to 4. The molecular mass of LiBH4 is 7 plus 11 plus 4 is equal to 22. Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Volume of the unit cell, if they have given A, directly we can calculate it as A cube. But here they have not given A, but they have given the 3 edge lengths. So A into B into C. So it will be totally 6.81 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 4.43 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 7.17 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Totally 216.3 into 10 to the power of minus 24 centimeter cube. Substitute the values. 4 into 22 divided by 216.3 into 10 to the power of minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Answer will be 0.6755 grams per centimeter cube. Sixth one. Silver crystallizes in a close packed arrangement, which is cubic one, with the edge length 407 picometer. What is the radius of the silver atom? Here they have asked for the radius. In CCP arrangement, A is equal to 2 into square root of 2r. We have to calculate the r. They have given the A. R is equal to A divided by 2 into square root of 2. On rearrangement in this one we will get r. Let me take 2 into square root of 2 the left hand side, which will become the denominator. R is equal to 4.7 into 10 to the power of minus 10 divided by 2 square root of 2. On solving, we will get 143.9 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. That in terms 143.9 picometer. Seventh, the radius of copper atom is 128 picometer. If it crystallizes in FCC lattice, calculate edge length of the unit cell. In FCC, A is equal to 2 into square root of 2 R, same FCC CCP, and they have given here is R value is 128. So let us directly substitute. We will get A is equal to 361.98 picometer. Next one, an element has a body centered cubic structure with edge length of 288 picometer. The density of element is 7.2 grams per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? We know that density formula is Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Atomic mass of the element is M. So M is equal to D into A cube into Na divided by Z. Just I have rearranged this one. So substitute in BCC, Z is equal to 2. Density they have given us 7.2 grams per centimeter. A, that is edge length, is equal to 288. That is equal to 288 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Substitute. M is equal to 7.2 into 288 into 10 to the power of minus 10. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 2. On solving, M is equal to 51.79 grams per mole. 51.79 grams contain Avogadro number of molecules. But what he has asked? He has asked in 208 grams of element. So 208 grams of element contains X. So X is equal to 208 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 51.79. Just I have done the simple cross multiplication. So on solving, X will be 24.19 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Hence 24.19 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are present in 208 grams of the element. Ninth numerical. Metallic iron crystallizes in a particular type of cubic unit cell. The unit length cell edge length is 287 picometer. The density of iron is 7.87 gram per centimeter cube. How many iron atoms are there within one's unit cell, and name the type of crystal lattice. Here you have to find out the Z. By knowing the Z value, we can decide which is the crystal lattice. So we know that already density formula. So I will just note down the values. M is equal to 55.845. Even though they have not given, I can easily write down because atomic mass of iron is 55.845. Avogadro number, it is a constant. Density is given 7.2 and A, edge length 287 picometer, that is equal to 287 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeter. Let us calculate Z. Z is equal to D into A cube divided by Na divided by M. A small rearrangement. So on substituting the values, 7.87, 287 into 10 to the power of minus 10, Avogadro number divided by M, that is 55.845. On solving, we will get Z is equal to 2. When we are having Z is equal to 2, it is equal to crystal lattice of the BCC. So the type of crystal lattice is BCC. Lead crystallizes with face unit cell and has a density of 11.35 grams per centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of lead atom. Atomic mass is given is 207 grams per mole. Here they have given FCC, density has been given, and they have asked you to calculate the radius. So density formula already we know, Z into M divided by A cube into Na. In FCC, Z is equal to 4, density is 11.35 which is given, Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, mass 207 they have given. So let us calculate. A cube is equal to 4 into 207 divided by 11.35 into Avogadro number. On solving, we get 121.12 into 10 to the power of minus 24. And to calculate A, that is edge length, 121.12 into 10 to the power of minus 3 to the power 1 by 3. So let us know the A value is equal to 121.12 to the power 1 by 3. So log x is equal to log 121.12 to the power 1 by 3. I have taken only the first half because second half I know 10 to the power of minus 24 1 by 3 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8. I want to calculate only this part. So I have taken this step once again. X I have taken as 121.12 to the power 1 by 3, taking x log on both the sides. Now let us solve. Log x is equal to 1 by 3 into log 121.12. So log x is equal to 1 by 3 into log 121.12 value is 2.0831. 1 to 1, 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That is factor, and I have calculated the log, that is 0.0831. 2 plus 0.0831 is equal to 2.0831. So log x will be 0.69436. So x is equal to anti-log of that value. So x will come 4.943. So in the beginning itself I told 10 to the power of minus 22 to the power 1 by 3, that is cube root of 10 to the power of minus 24 is 10 to the power of minus 8. And I have calculated for the 121.12, that is 4.943. So A value is equal to 4.943 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Now I have to go for the calculation of radius. In FCC, R is equal to A by 2 into square root of 2, because A is equal to 2 into square root of 2 into R. So on substituting the value of A, 494.3 picometer divided by 2 into square root of 2, on solving we get 174.787 picometers. In approximation, when I will do the round off, 174.78 picometers. Please note down some of the numericals as a homework. Remember students, these are the very important numericals. If they are asking for the calculation of the formula or density directly, then it will be 2 marks. Based on the density formula followed by some other calculation like radius or number of particle and the type of crystal lattice, then it will carry the 3 marks. Some more numericals are here. Totally 11 numericals are given as a homework. Thank you.